Hi, this is Martha from Netas Natural and S&E African Hair Braiding. We have done today box braid. This is a protective style that will last you about 2 months, and we use an expression hair, and our clients have beautiful natural hair, so we've been braiding her hair for a minute, my staff.
Yep, couple of years
She's been coming with us, and we appreciate it. She's been really loyal, and she comes whenever she needs. So we have done box braid, we have done what cornrows, feedings. Yes, we have, and she does amazing work. We're on with the place that she works at, so we appreciate her. So we are doing box braid, and a little bit in the face and the front is like cornrows, and this is expression hair we use. My staff have been pulling it so that it will be even. So as you see, this is a three strand, I can't speak, right? And we do them all the same size so that the customer can use them for 2 months. The maximum is 2 months. We don't recommend more than 2 months because you don't want your hair to tangle, and when you take it out, it will be very hard to comb it out. So usually say 2 months, and then if you have the full box braid, come after a month so that we can do touch up. So it's better to keep your hair healthy, and also use our oil product for your she's almost done. So usually when finished, we put our oil in our client's hair. So if you wear a protective style, make sure to put oil every 2 days, every 3 days, because your hair needs that moisture. When you take it out, it will be easy to comb, to manage. Otherwise, if you don't put no oil in it, then your hair is going to be very dry. Your scalp will be dry, your hair will be dry. So we have our product here. So we always usually put it when we are done, if it works, right? Yep. Well, this one is new. So let me see this one. Yep, right here. So see how our product is light. So we usually put it and massage the scalp, and we also suggest our customer to do the same when they are at home. So this is our oil. This is actually for split end, for hair treatment, anything you need, we have it. So come make an appointment. We love doing box braid or Senegalese twist on cornrows. We are back via TSU College Crib here at on Jefferson Street, 2719 Jefferson Street. Call us at 615-321-9777. Thank you so much. This is Martha from S&E and my team.